Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off offers notification on Grubhub. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and turn off all those notifications that you get for offers. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto the Grubhub account. Next, click on account on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, you're going to see a list of options here. You want to go ahead and scroll down and then click on push notifications. Once you click on push notifications, you're going to see some toggle buttons. I recommend that you keep the toggle button on for your order status so that you can receive updates about your order. But as far as offers go, you can toggle this off and you'll no longer receive notifications for discounts and promotions on Grubhub. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off offer notifications on Grubhub. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all